she
Her
repeat her name?
condition, the doctor said, critical. And them say they do not have the resources here to take care of her, so she would have to go overseas that she can live, otherwise she's not gonna live. And at 20 when he tell me that in the name of Jesus, she's going to live, she's not gonna die.
Well, Sanmerna Foundation has seen this story about jealous boyfriend who dosed his girlfriend with gasoline and set her afire. It hurt us so bad that we jump into action. Today, Nicole is going to be on her way to the United States for treatment. Today she begins her phase 2 of treatment. We call upon the men them, to find some other way, to solve their problem and not to abuse the woman's life.
I cannot even explain how I feel, because even this morning I was crying. And my daughter said, "Mommy, don't cry. Just hold faith and believe in God." And I said, all right.
And what is her condition like?
Her condition is very bad because the whole of her skin burn off. She don't have no skin like mine. Everything burn off. Because it's gasoline, gas oil, and then him light her.
It's emotional, even to just talk about this story, to see her laying down, the pain that she said she's going through, and we can only, give the support and try to help her to overcome what she's going through. And today is victorious. She's going to leave the island and go to the United States for treatment.